Students, today's topic is effects of the World War One on home front. So you know that the war front means that wherever the war is happening and soldiers are fighting with each other, or the country's armies are uh, fighting with each other, that is the war front. But what's happening inside the country, what is happening in the cities of the country, so how they are coping with all the problems that are happening because of the war, so we have to see that these are the common core standards. Learning objectives is analyze the political, economic, and social ramifications of World War One on the home front. So America and the World War One. You all know that America in the start completely avoided to take part in the World War One because most of the Americans did not want to join the war and they wanted to remain neutral. But eventually, when the war spread all over the world, they had to join it. Yeah, so in the start, because Americans did not want to join the war, the president also was not in the favor of the war, so it kept the country out of the war. And when the elections happened again, and he wanted to, President Wilson wanted to fight the elections again. His party's slogan was, he kept us out of the war. So he was re-elected because Americans, the common public, also didn't want the to be the part of the war. But of course, eventually it had to join because the war was everywhere. So in July, because World War One was fought from 1914 to 1918, and US joined the war in 1917 on the 6th of April specifically. So they had to join the war, and at that time, President Wilson and all the government officials, they had to convince the public and convince everyone, the army, and the common public, that we have to be the part of the war right now. So the war had a heavy impact on America's economics and culture. Of course, when the war is happening inside the country, many things are changing. However, now we start the topic that what was happening inside the country. However, in America, the majority of the war efforts on the home front was conducted by the women, forced to provide for their families, means they had to earn for their families, provide food and everything. So while the men were at war, so the families of the soldiers, and when the war happens, common public also joins the war voluntarily. So people, not only army, common public also joined the war, and the men went to the war, and their families were now run by the women. But other women whose families were not joining the war, still they wanted to help the Americans, so they also were working on this front, like what I call we call home front. So role of the women on home front during the war. During the World War One, large number of women were recruited into jobs vacated by men. So when the men are at war, the women were at work, who had gone to fight in the war. The men. New jobs were also created as part of the war efforts. For example, the weapon factories. So that at that time, American industrial side was on boom. Like their factories were providing finished product to all of the world, like metal and steel, especially when that they were just like we studied in the Panama revolution, that they had set the railroad in the Panama also. So all the countries that cannot to produce many things, the America was providing to them. So already they were uh, they had a strong industry, so they had a lot of jobs. But because of the war, new jobs were created, because they were day and night they were working in the factories to create produce weapons. They also cared for the sick and wounded men from the war, so ladies were doing all these efforts. Another thing, another big event that happened was the Great Migration. So we saw in here that what women were doing, they were doing the jobs of their men, and they were producing weapons in the factories, and they were happily doing all this because of the patriotism that our country is at war right now, so we have to work. And they were also doing they were doing the jobs of nurses to care for the sick. The second event that happened, the Great Migration. It was the movement of 6 million African Americans out of the rural southern United States, and the states that were Midwest and southern were these were the states that were the cultivated areas. They were farming areas, most of them. So industrial areas were, most of them were in the north side. So people from the countryside, or you can say villages, they migrated towards the industrial areas or cities to get the new jobs created, or the jobs vacated by the Native Americans. So African Americans got jobs in the factories now. So as factories, jobs opened for the African Americans. About 500,000 African Americans shifted from south to north of the country. It showed that the north and south both had equal opportunities for African Americans. So this is the second big event happened, the Great Migration. It means 6 million Africans were moving from one part of the country to the other, means from the farming areas towards the industrial areas. How war affected America? America was actually not negatively very much affected. It had a great impact on the industry of America. That unlike the European countries, the US was not laid to waste by war. America's factories and countryside were unharmed, means they did not have any negative impact, and performing better than ever because their products were now in more in demand, because Europe was also European economy was going down. Their people were being killed. They were very much affected by the war. So American industry had a chance to spread. uh, World War One sped up American industrial production, leading to an economic boom throughout the Roaring Twenties. So after even 1918s, when war was ended, still American industry was providing a lot of products to the world. So that means American industry got a good chance because of the World War One. But still we have to see these two events, that how women worked in the World War One during the World War. uh, Home front means inside the country what was happening, so women played their role, and how the African Americans got a chance to work in place of the Native Americans who had left for the war. So our topic, this was just the general introduction of the topic. uh, you can do research over this, and I will provide you more stuff to research over. Okay, thank you.